Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It's never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, and the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today I'm going to be doing a dedicated 3COMMAS video because yes, you need to see what's going on here. It's absolutely crazy. I have literally been making between either $100 to $600 a day trading with 3COMMAS on OKX, both of which are official partners of my channel. And I'm going to walk you through the setups that I've got at the moment, what I'm doing, and basically going to set up a bot with you on this video. So make sure you stick around to the end because you don't want to miss it, all right? It's very, very cool stuff going on, all right? Stick around. Okay, bulls, here we are. We are on 3COMMAS and obviously OKX, you can see right here, okay? I just wanted to do a walkthrough on how to actually set this up. It's really, really straightforward. You don't need to be a genius to do this. And it's for those who really want to trade crypto and essentially don't have enough time to trade entire markets. But I just want to point out quickly, if I go to my assets, you can actually see here what's going on. This is my actual portfolio. 94 on the day. On the week, I'm up 1,765, which, you know, some people have to work very hard for that kind of money. On the month, I'm up 5,188, which is insane. And on the 6 months here, $18,886, which is just mind-blowing, okay? Now, let's go to 3COMMAS. The links are below. They are both official partners of my channel, so make sure you use the referral links below and join the Patreon, more to the point, because I've got the full setup guide in there as well, and you can literally copy every single one of these bots. Now, when you go down to subscribe to 3COMMAS, you can either do a monthly or an annual. You get 50% off your membership if you use the annual subscription, so you will have to buy for the whole year. And it works out cheaper as well, or you can do monthly, whatever you like. It's up to you. Now, on the month right here, the starter pack, you have the advanced pack, and you have the pro. I would go the pro personally. That is mine. You can trade as many bots as you want, as many multi-bots. Literally, it's insane. You can trade up to 200 different bots. It's wild, all right? So go join up. The link is below, so you can choose either one of these. On the starter pack, you're not going to get the reinvest profits, or on the advanced. However, on the pro version, you can reinvest your profits, okay? Now, the monthly as well, you can do either one of those. I would recommend doing whatever you're comfortable with, okay? Now, moving on, let's go to the dashboard because this is important. Let me just get rid of this pop-up. The dashboard is pretty self-explanatory right here. It goes through what your portfolio is, what deals you've got currently opened up, just gives you a brief overview of what's happening in your portfolio. And as you can see right here, mine's just been steadily going up. This is all in US dollars, by the way. It doesn't work with Australian dollars. I've got to tell the boys to do this. Now, scrolling down, here are my position sizes, the futures contracts. The biggest one I've got is with Ethereum Classic and Ethereum right here. So you can see down here, here is the list. Now, coming onto the left-hand side, you've got the My Portfolio section. You can see an overview of what your portfolio is, the exchanges you've got connected as well. Now, I just want to point out, you can connect a new account. I use OKX because I can trade with leverage. Sorry, my internet connection is quite low at the moment. Or you can trade on any other exchange. 3COMMAS works on multiple. Let's have a look here if I can connect to another account. Okay, so you can trade on Binance, OKX, which I am. That's my preferred exchange and a partner of the channel. You can trade on Bybit, KuCoin, Coinbase Pro. You've got Bitfinex, you've got Bitstamp, Bittrex, Coinbase Advanced, Crypto.com, Gate.io, Gemini, you've got HTX and Kraken. Multiple exchanges. You can connect straight up to your API directly through these links right here. Okay. Also, more importantly, once you do that, please set up your two-factor authentication. It is freaking important that you do that. You need security, not only on your exchange, but on 3COMMAS, and everything as well should have two-factor authentication so you don't get in trouble with that. And also, you should have codes being sent to your phone, and also, sorry, that was an email, and also to your email as well to confirm, so nobody can mess with that. Also, be careful of phishing emails. Those are emails with links saying that you have stuff to do on Coinbase or OKX or whatever. These exchanges will not send you emails, so just be aware of that, okay? Now, moving on, let's get straight into it. You can see the smart trading here. I personally don't use smart trading. I use my bots. Why? Because it's just a lot easier for me. Now, my DCA bot, let's go here on the left. Now, you can see my bots right here. Total profit, 6,519 USD. Very, very nice right here. You can see the graph, which is slowly increasing. That's because the dollar cost averaging bot, the DCA bot, is trading for me 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can get a breakdown on the schedule down here. The mother load at the moment's made me, I only set that up a couple of days ago. It's already made me total profit of 151. Scrolling down, total profit for these, 2,000 USD, 1,700. A full breakdown, and you can literally copy these in the Patreon, so link is below. But what I want to do with you is show you this. You come down here, my deals. This is a breakdown on all of the deals that I'm trading at the moment, so you can get some really good analytics. These are the deals you can see right here. You can manage these all on the desktop or on your phone. It's quite easy to do that. You can close out at market price. I would not do that. Because again, you leave these things trade 24/7. Because we're coming into a bull market, you just need to leave that. Now, on the right-hand side, as I'm circling the mouse right here, completed deals, active, max 30 safety orders. Of course, we're going to go through all of that, so you can just get a brief overview. And obviously, these are on long positions, and you can keep track of everything. Now, where I want to go to is my bots. This is where you can get a breakdown as well. Coming back down here, actual fact, let's just set up a new bot, okay? I want to show everyone. So you come up to create DCA bot. This is what I do. Now, classic trading. For those of you in the United States, Canada, and the UK, unfortunately, you can't trade with leverage, which is annoying unless you get away with it with a VPN server. Not financial advice to use on, obviously, OKX. Now, coming down, you've got classic trading. This is without leverage. You can still do this without leverage. It's very easy. I've done this before, so you can do that with classic trading. I like to use futures, leverage, of course. So I'm going to create a futures bot. Okay, let's pick an altcoin. So let's just think of one. Let's go Solana, because this thing's going parabolic at the moment. Okay, let me just go Sol. Now you want to come down and find USDT swap. There we go. You can trade a multi or a single pair, by the way. Just want to make that clear. You can trade as many as you like. I've done that with multiple coins. I'll show you in a moment. Let's just go MIOTA. This is going to be, just name it, Solana 15X. Single. Long. Okay. There we go. As an example, come down. Now, you can choose either long or short. I'm trading both ways with most of my bots, so I'm making money when the market goes up or down. Let's have a look here. I like to trade with market order, but you can trade with the limit order. It does help with slippage and fees as well with the limit order. However, I don't really care. I want the deals to be going straight away. Coming down here, the base order size. I am getting a lot of messages about this as well, bulls, like a lot. So each altcoin has a different type of leverage. A base order size that needs to be at a minimum. Bitcoin in particular is quite high, and multiple altcoins also have that as well. So just play around with it until you get it right. Now, let's just go here. I'm going to trade with 50 USDT. Market order, I'm quoting USDT, so I'm taking profits in US dollars. Come down to the leverage bar. Let's put this at 15x. That's what I like to trade with, okay? Now, on the right-hand side, just keep an eye on this as well. So, the max bot usage based on the current rate is 42 USDT, so that's what's going to use, okay? Now, the leverage type I like to leave to isolated. I don't like to cross-collateralize any of my other assets, so it's isolated to that one particular asset itself. Reinvest profit is an interesting one. You can do this if you wish. I don't like to do that, but you can. You can set this to whatever percentage you like, so it'll reinvest all your profits back into future deals. Now, this is where it gets interesting, okay? Now, we've set up that first part, the open trade deal start condition. So, I like to leave it at open trade straight away. ASAP, meaning the thing is trading 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Or you can trade with what I've done with my multi-bots. That's an RSI indicator. 3-minute time frame. RSI length is 7. Condition is less than. Signal value is 30. You can play around with these as much as you like and to find the right setup. But me personally, I like to open deal straight away. Okay, you can trade with a MACD, stochastic. You can trade with Bollinger Bands. TradingView custom signals you can input in this as well. I personally like to trade ASAP. That's me, okay? Okay, bulls, sorry about that. My camera actually died. So just quickly going to your base order size. Let's have a look at this right now. Yes, we are recording. I'm going to go 50 USDT. Scrolling down, let's have a look at the price deviation to open a safety order. I'm going to go 2%. Keeping an eye on the right-hand side, the max safety order price deviation is at 42% at the moment. The balance total being used by the bot is 2.97%, which is Nothing just yet. The max safety orders count I'm going to set to 30. That's what I like to do. You can play around with this whatever you like. The max safety orders count, I only want 1 in the book at every single moment. Safety order volume scale, I'm going to set to 1.05. Safety order step scale, I'm going to set to 1. Okay. Now you can see here the max safety order price deviation. There'd have to be a 60% drop in that particular coin, which is Solana. Scrolling up here, we are trading Solana on a single pair on 15x leverage. Now, I don't use any of the advanced deal start conditions. You know, you can trade whatever you like with this, but that's pretty much it, bulls. And I can start this bot immediately. Pretty straightforward. And this bot will basically do the same thing with everything that you do. So you can either trade long or short. It doesn't matter. So I'm going to go start. Let me start this bot right now. Okay, bot is turned on. Just a quick one. I think I forgot the safety order. Let me just have a look at this. Let me just go back and edit this quickly because the amount of safety orders is what I want to look at. Sorry, no, we've got 30 in there at the moment. Yes, the base order safety, the safety order size I've got set to 50. So there you go. That's pretty much how you set up the bots. It's pretty straightforward. Now you can do this on a long or short. If you want to trade a multi-pair, you can do that as well. Or alternatively, if you don't want to do any of that, you can come to the presets. Now, these are some of the bots on OKX. I'm going to go a multi-pair. Let's just wait for this to load. This is on exchange. I'm going to set to OKX futures. You can have some presets right here as well, so you can copy any of these. Now, have a look for the biggest gainer. Let's have a look. 16.24 seems to be the biggest. 30.64. The Numbani, the old bot right here, is on 30% in the last month. So if you want to do that as well, you can copy trade these. It's up to you. I've had a couple of these actually copy me as well. So you can do whatever you like. It's up to you. That's pretty much how you use 3COMMAS. Now, coming back to OKX, having a look here. Now, you can go to perpetual swaps. Just having a look here, bulls. Let's have a look. All right. So down here are all my bots that I've currently got set up. Okay, then you can keep an eye on this as well. This is obviously the Solana one I just set up with you. Let's have a look at open positions. And there is my Solana bot right here on a long. Let's just wait for that to load. There we go. So it's already opened up that trade. There you go. So it's on a long position, 15x right here. Okay. So that's pretty much how it does everything for you, and the deals will trade automatically whether you want long or short. That is pretty much it, bulls. So very easy, very simple, no BS, and these things trade for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and you just have to monitor them to make sure, obviously, that your liquidity, being your capital in OKX or whatever exchange you're using, is well and truly there to be traded as well. So you just need to keep that one in mind. If you wish to copy trade me as well, you will need that same amount of capital. And that is, again, 6,000 Aussie dollars that I've got in there because I've taken a significant amount of profit out of there. But that's pretty much it. Very straightforward. If you want to set up another one, let's just go to my deals, go to my bots. Let's just have a quick look at this as well while I've got you here. You can trade the same bot that I just set up, which is a Solana single right here. You can copy this. So you can copy them as well and just adjust it to a short position. That's pretty much it. Let's just have a look here. Wait for it to load. Okay, so I'm going to go to edit settings down the bottom. And I'm going to label this a short bot because the other one was a long bot. Let's just do this right now. Okay, so I'm going to change this to OKX Solana short bot 15x. Okay, come down here, just go short. Pretty much the settings are remaining the same. Open new trade ASAP, 1.5% profit target, 50 USDT. Obviously is the base safety order size. I've got 30 safety orders in there. Haven't adjusted anything here. 15x. There you go. And then I can just go start and wait for this to load. And that is now turned on as well. So I've got that on a short position as you just saw. Now, a really cool thing you can check here as well is once the bot starts, it will get signals once the price moves in the crypto itself. And you've got a breakdown of everything here you can keep an eye on. Now, I want to show you just quickly, going to my bots, Now, let's scroll down to total profit. The biggest one here, let's just go here, the long bot. This is my long bot. This is my longest running one as well. There is a chart on the right-hand side. You can keep an eye on this as well. So you can see that it's slowly increasing. A summary of profit. Here are the days that it's actually making profit. 100 USD, 145, 43, and 160. And obviously today is the 4th. It's already made 15 USDT. But as you can see down here, profit by pair gives you the biggest gainer. Let's have a look here. Chainlink is my biggest gainer. So this is a multi-bot. Now, just to quickly give you a rundown on this, you will need the pro subscription for this, but I've got multiple assets in here. Trading on the long position with 15x. 30 deals in the book at one time because there's 30 altcoins you can see right here. See this one here as well, by the way. This bot's going to require a significant amount of capital. And I've currently got 3,200 USDT being used in this particular bot. So if you want to trade these, just keep in mind that you will need that amount of capital, but you don't necessarily have to have 13,000 USDT in here. Okay, I've got 30 deals running, 50 base order size, 15x leverage, RSI condition. There you go. Okay, 1.5% profit. Safety order, I've doubled it up. So from 50 to 100, 30 safety orders at one time, 2% here on the deviation, 1% on the basically one order in the books at all time. Safety order step scale of set to 1 and safety order volume scale of 1.05. That's pretty much it, bulls. There you go. I hope you all enjoyed that, and I hope you get some value out of this. But guys, use the referral links below, and I'm pretty sure you'll start seeing some nice gains in these trading bots, and it's been incredible for me so far, as everyone has seen in my posts on social media. All right, I'm out of here. Hope you all have a great weekend. Any comments, join the Patreon. I'll be able to speak to you directly in there, all right? Peace out, bulls. Bye.